Hi, welcome to the third part of Financial Independence Day under Money Mastery series. My name is Hitesh Shah, CMD of DHS True Wealth Management Consultancy Private Limited. As we saw, active and passive income, it is not the returns but the volume of money required for your financial goals. We will see how it can support our financial goals. We have made two portfolios. Let us understand both in detail. One is regular income portfolio and the other one is variable income portfolio. So what is regular income portfolio and variable income portfolio? For example, mango tree and banana tree. Mango tree, it gives mangoes, but it is seasonal. That is once a year for 2 or 3 months or 4 months. This is variable in nature. But banana tree, it gives banana every month, every season, which is regular in nature, means throughout the year, year after year. Let us now see the characteristic of both variable and regular income. So there are 4 characteristics of variable income portfolio. It depends on the market condition. It can be planned based on your needs. Withdrawal is possible any point of time and requires active participation of individuals. So the 8 characteristics of a regular income portfolio are: it comes on a fixed date. It is usually the same amount. It cannot be passed. It does not need our time, money and efforts. Fifth, it is immune to calamities. Sixth, it does not depreciate. Seventh, it may be tax free, and eighth is it is guaranteed. Now, when the income exceeds the above expenses and surpluses is generated, we accumulate wealth. Wealth accumulation is the process of accumulating enough surplus funds, assets, cash to have financial peace of mind. You are essentially raising your net worth over a period of time in order to hit a point of financial stability and consistency. We do wealth accumulation for various goals: legacy planning and funding responsibilities for children's higher education, children's marriage, our retirement planning, regular monthly income in our absence, regular monthly income during critical times. But we accumulate wealth and become wealthy. We need to ensure what is the correct way of wealth accumulation. So let me ask you, are you cash rich or asset rich? We will see in detail in the last part, which is the 4th part. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Hitesh Shah signing off.